There's 5 shipwrecks in this one bay, and all of them have very interesting histories. One of them was even involved in a nuclear test. So anyway, let's have a look. This is Homebush Bay. It's located on the Parramatta River and is about 12 kilometers away from Sydney's CBD. But you may be wondering, why does it have so many shipwrecks? Well, in fact, Homebush Bay was actually a scrapping yard for old ships. And for that exact same reason, there might be a lot more ships in the bay that we don't even know about. So without further ado, let's start having a look at the ships. I'll be going from least to most interesting, which makes us start off with this ship, which we have no knowledge of any history about it, not even its name. Then we have the SS Mortlake Bank. She was built in the UK in 1924. She was brought to Australia 10 years later, where she was used to transport coal to the Mortlake gasworks. Third of all, we've got the SS Heroic. She was built in 1963 in Japan and was used to transport grain, coal and iron ore between Japan and Australia. Unfortunately, in 1991, the SS Heroic ran aground on a sandbank in Homebush Bay and was declared a total loss. Second from the top, we've got the HMAS Karangi. She was built on Cockatoo Island in 1941. Once commissioned in Iran, she helped with the laying of the defense of Darwin and was there for the first Japanese raid on the city. She was also present at the British atomic tests at the Montebello Islands. She was then partially scrapped in 1966 and her remains were moved to Homebush Bay. And at our number 1 spot, we have the SS Ayrfield. The Ayrfield was a British-built steamship that was built in 1911. She was used by the Commonwealth government to transport supplies to American troops in the Pacific region during World War II. And like all the others, she was abandoned in Homebush Bay in the 1970s. But unlike the others, her story doesn't end there. She has been featured in a wide variety of films and television shows, and is by far the most recognizable out of all the Homebush Bay shipwrecks, and remains a figurehead for all of them. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please consider subscribing, as I'll be posting more content like this very soon. And as always, see you guys next video.